Um, so let's start with the Quran word for word class. So this is the third lesson, and today we are going to introduce the main pattern. And this is the introduction of the verb, and this is the verb pattern. So this is officially the surf. Okay. So we'll go through this pattern in 3 classes. So you don't have to go through this like in one class, because this we must understand this and memorize this pattern, because this will be used from every single class. After this, every single class will have this pattern. There is no other pattern about this. So this is absolutely important to memorize and understand this. So as you can see that we have fa'ala, verb, so it's a fa'ala, and we have on the left side, we have fi'l madi. Like if you go to the beginning, so after the lesson 3, fi'l madi, and fi'l madi means past tense. Fi'l means something, it's a verb. Fi'l means verb, and madi means past tense. So, and we introduced on the very first lesson that, what do we introduce? Yes, say it, please. With the, come here, so that everyone can see it. Loudly.
هو هم أنت أنتم أنا نحن.
Okay, can you please also say the meaning of it?
So هو means
So do it again.
هو he or him, and then whom, right? Yeah,
Yes.
whom is them, but it's like masculine. Anta is you, antum is you all, and then ana is I, nahnu is us, like we.
Right, good, thank you. So we are going to follow the same pattern here. So again, there is feminine gender in Arabic, and also there is plural number, singular number, and also dual number. But we will deal with all these things later on, like dual number and other things we will deal with later on. Okay, so today's lessons is like, so we will only cover on the right part, right fi'l madi. That is our lesson today. Then the next lesson we will cover the fi'l mudari, meanings like the present or future tense. And then on the third class we will cover the rest. So we will take 3 classes on these things, because this is absolutely important to memorize and to understand this, because this is the main pattern, right? And after that it will be much more easier. If anybody understands this, then the rest of the things is very easy. Okay, so what we have, the word is fa'ala, right? Fa'ala means he did something, right? So, and then we have fa'alu, they did something. Fa'alta, you did something. Fa'altum, you all did something, right? Then we have fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'altu, I did something, and fa'alla, we did something. So please go with me. Okay, right? Understood? Okay. You understand? Okay, follow? Okay, so please take the hand. Fa'ala. Louder, please. Louder. Fa'ala. Loud.
Like my stomach's starting to get stuff. I can't really. I'm not too serious though.
Okay, please. Fa'ala. Fa'alu. Fa'alta. فعلتم فعلت فعلنا. Again, فعل, he did something. فعل, فعل, he did something. Okay, that's past tense. Like all we are learning today is a past tense. So فعل, فعلوا, right? Lu is lam, fish, lam, wow, fish, right? Or lam, wow. So فعل, فعلوا, فعلت, فعلتم, فعلتوا, فعلنا. Okay, again, say it again, please. We'll do it a couple of times and then inshallah we are done. Okay, so فعل, فعلوا, فعلت, فعلتم, فعلتوا, فعلنا. Okay, again, فعل, فعلوا, فعلت, فعلتم, فعلتوا, فعلنا. Again, louder, louder. What happened to you? Come on, man. Young man. Hello, and you also, please. Loud.
You can do loud.
There's no downstairs. So you can shout. Okay. Okay, فعل. Aha. A little bit more. Okay. فعل. فعلوا. فعلت. فعلتم. فعلتوا. فعلنا. Very good. Okay. Now, just to wrap up, the first lesson was huwa, whom, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, right? And we also practice some examples like huwa Muslim, huwa Muslimun, huwa, right? Anta Muslim, antum Muslimun, ana Muslim, nahnu Muslimun. And also we practice with the noun like kitabuhu, kitabuhum, kitabuka, kitabukum, kitabi, kitabuna, right? And we also practice deen and other words, right? And the next second lesson we practice some preposition, huruf al-jar. The huruf al-jar, the main thing is like this huruf al-jar put a kasra or jer on the words that come after. And we give the examples from the Surah Fatiha that Alhamdulillah is this lam is the huruf al-jar or preposition, and that's why it becomes Alhamdulillahir, see the kasra, Rahmanir, kasra, Rahim. Maliki, kasra, Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu or Iyaka nasta'in, then that's follow another pattern. Okay, but the main function of preposition is to convey the meaning, of course, and also put a kasra or jer on the next word, right? And today we are learning the first part fil madi of the main pattern, and the word we pick up is fa'ala, and fa'ala means he did something, right? That's the past tense. Okay, so again, please, 2 more times and we are done inshallah. So fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna, fa'alu, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. Okay, so this is the past tense, inshallah. Okay, any question?
So this is like different from the first one, right?
This is a little bit different, but it is, if you see, like huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. See, same kind of similar, but it is with the verb, so it feels like a little bit different. But it's almost the same pattern.
So it like kind of changes because it's with the verb.
Yes, it is with the verb. So this is the this is the main pattern that has to be memorized. We can, if it is not memorized, we cannot go further. Okay, so inshallah, let's do it in the next 2-3 2 classes, and inshallah we'll be ready to go further.
Let's go.
To the first one. Kaustina.
I was like,
Hmm.
a